Welcome. If you're looking to invite friends or colleagues to your Telegram group, the easiest way is by sharing your group's invite link. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to copy a group invite link on Telegram so you can share it anywhere you like. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head over to the group chat you want to invite people to. You can find your groups listed on the main chat screen. Just tap on the group's name to open the conversation. At the top of the group chat, you'll see the group's picture or its name. Tap on this area. This will open up the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group, its members, and more. Next, look for the edit icon. This usually looks like a small pencil, or the word edit near the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the group's settings. Now, scroll through the options until you find invite links. Tap on this section. Here, you'll see your group's unique invite link. To copy it, simply tap on the copy button next to the link. You should see a confirmation that the link has been copied to your clipboard. That's it. Your group invite link is now ready to be shared. You can paste it into a message, email, or anywhere else you want to invite new members to join your group. Just long press in any text field and select Paste to drop in the link. Sharing your Telegram group has never been easier. With just a few taps, you can grow your community and connect with more people. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need a hand. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.